my tire flat or what? I'm getting a weird... I think my tire's flat. Let's see. Yep, there it is right there, I bet. Yep. Totally fucking flat. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to do this since I have an opportunity. Luckily, I did bring my flat tire repair kit right now. I'm out in the middle of fucking nowhere. I don't know. It's like, it's got to be at least 50 miles back. Fuck. I have this inflator, this tire inflator, but I might have to cut that off and strip the wires because I don't have a 12 volt plug on here. So there's 3 pieces to a tire repair kit like this. This is what I call the reaming tool. I don't know if that's what it's really called, but you basically shove it in there and move it back and forth to clean it out and get it the right size to put one of these in. This is a plug. So let me make sure this camera's still going. This is cool. I have an opportunity to show this. So alright. So first we get that ready. And I'm also gonna peel this in half and get this ready. Not like there's any air on here, I guess, to save. This tire is completely gone. Completely flat. So I'm just gonna ream it. Go side to side, in and out. Leave that in there. Normally I'd leave that in there to help hold the air. If you notice your tire's flat before it goes completely flat, like me. I like to put this plug about halfway through and do like this. Move it around some different angles, clean it out real good, and then pull it out. Insert the plug. Like to go in about 3/4 of the way, and then in one smooth motion you're gonna yank this out. And then, ideally you have a knife or something. Cut off the excess of the plug. Like that. And ideally I'd recommend leaving that for about 10 minutes to kind of set in there and harden. So let's get this started. I kind of want to see if those guys turn around because I don't want to have to fucking strip these wires off. So I'm gonna take I'm gonna take the seat off so I can get at the battery, and then I'll show you what I'm gonna do since I don't have a plug for this thing. What to do when you have a flat tire.
Yeah.
These guys were nice enough to stop and help me out. They have a nice pump that's better than mine that has battery clips.
I think we put it on there first and then the electricity.
Should I probably won't drain the battery. It might be hot down
No, it's
there.
fine. It's fine. Okay, fuego. Isn't there a button or something? 4. So.
Okay, we better go a little while longer.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. Right at it, over 30, and then just don't.
Yeah, just don't push it too hot.
Don't try to get a knee down.
Right.
Well, if you go ahead and do it, but just don't count on getting it back up.
Wait, check the pressure again?
Yeah.
Have a good ride.
And that is what to do if you have a flat tire. Just pull over and wait for some really nice old guys to stop and help you out. Really nice guys out here. They live in around like Whittier, California, I think. So yeah, saved me from having to strip. Originally I was gonna strip the plug from my little compressor and strip the wires with my pocket knife and then attach it to the battery posts. Just put the stripped wires right under the screw and tighten it down and use the compressor that way, because I don't have the plug, my 12-volt plug, installed on this bike. It's sitting in a box at home. So I think I'm just gonna go get a new tire, because this one's almost worn out anyway.